is National HIV and AIDS Testing Day, and I thought it would be a good idea if I got tested today. It's important to me to take charge of my health and also to be an example for other young black women and men in the African American neighborhood. I'm already registered, got my ticket, and let's go, let's get started. After registration, the nurse leads me into a room to check my vitals. This includes my weight, blood pressure, and body temperature. Next, the doctor sees me for pre-testing consultation where she asks me important questions about my medical and sexual history. It is essential to answer these questions truthfully because they are used to assess my risk level for HIV and AIDS.
Have you ever been pregnant?
I was able to speak to Dana Laughlin, a case risk manager for Access Grand Boulevard. She told me about the importance of HIV and AIDS testing in the black community.
African American men and women are at higher rates of HIV than amongst other races as well. The rate is really rising among African American women especially. The rate is 5 times more likely than their Caucasian or Hispanic counterparts. So we really encourage that everyone get tested.
African Americans only make up 14% of the population, but accounted for 44% of all new HIV and AIDS cases in 2009, according to the Center for Disease Control. Also, people 50 and over account for 15% of new HIV and AIDS diagnoses.
Some people tend to think that seniors are not engaging in a lot of sexual behavior, but that's not true. Sexual behavior, I mean, it's healthy, but we want to encourage them to always use a condom, especially if you're going to be sexual with anyone.
Finally, it's time for the test. I opted to get my blood drawn. However, for those who may be squeamish about needles or blood, there is an OraCare option in which the technician takes a swab from the inside of your cheek. The results are ready in 20 minutes. The results from the blood test take 3 to 5 days. Well, the test is all done, just waiting for the results now. But in the meantime, I got some information about HIV and AIDS and all the other services available at Access Community Health Center, Grand Boulevard. I want to thank everybody for helping us out today. This has been Chaundanine McKinney for Urban Broadcast Media.